Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Meghalaya ukonrat ki sangma Leit Leit Ontep yo Kpa Bakhuid Pope Francis Sha Vatican. Habaya shimbentalang bat kilak ngut Kpa Hasin Peter Square usangma ai ke jingburam ke bakrau yo Kpa Bakhuid bat ulong masngo banglong kumbau la kerku shisha minta kesni banya shimbentalang hakani ke Leit Ontep yo Pope Francis. Ulong ru minta kesni wat hak Leit Ontep yo kumbau lale hakapor bo udang lapin ya teli ya kibriu na keleng ke perthai kilawan ban ai ke burom ya upo Francis tu ai ba kamen siam jong kan shong that ya jingsuk bam jukut hagani ke Leit jong Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Sha Vatican Assistant Ran the officer on special duty but political secretary jong Daniel thank you.
I feel truly blessed today to be part of the funeral service of Pope Francis. I had the opportunity to meet him a couple of years back, and today to be part of the funeral service is very solemn, and I truly feel very, very blessed. And today, even on his funeral, like he did when he was alive, he united people, and even today in his funeral, he has united people. People from all over the world today have come to pay their respects to Pope Francis. We will miss him, and may his soul rest in eternal peace.